Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. Today I've got an unboxing video, and it's of a real good purchase that y'all will like to see, and we're going to get it put on. But first, let me show you here this front of the bike, and as I sit on it and see how much I'm sitting over top of this windshield. As you know, a while back I got a new seat, a new saddleman. So as you see right here, my chin is at the bottom, and the windshield that's new, practically new. I've had it a couple of years, probably 3 years. My chin is at the bottom of the windshield. So as you guys know, I need a taller one because this saddleman seat is sitting me up, and all the wind buffering is sitting on my head. So I've got something here in the box, and it's going to be a taller windshield. Well, I just told you right there, didn't I? I just told you what it was. It's a taller windshield. And this windshield is from the Freedom Shields, guys. I have done the research on this Windshield Company, and they are a good company, and I've read all the reviews. So we're going to get right to it, and we're going to open this box up. Turn the camera around here a little bit. And we're going to the box right here, and we're going to open this one up. These Freedom Shield motorcycle windshield, guys, they are thicker from all the reviews that I've read, and I think I ordered the light smoke or the light gray or dark gray. It's been over 3 weeks. By the time you make a purchase from Freedom Shields, allowed about 3 weeks, and they will tell you that in the description of the when you make the purchase and your email and everything. So all this packaging foam, and I have my invoice here, and I got the dark gray tint. It tells you right here on your invoice. So I'm gonna set this right here and find this windshield. I see a corner sticking up right here, and I'm gonna see what I can do without making a big mess. I'll probably make a big mess. I don't know how I'm gonna keep from it. I'll try to pull up the front side or back side or whatever it may be. Pull up one end, and we'll turn it straight up just like this. Alright, I can already tell that that's a thicker windshield, guys. And Freedom Shields will make this right at the factory for each specific motorcycle. I had gotten the 12-inch, guys. When I measured it up, Freedom Shields will tell you on their website, and they'll show you how to measure. Let's set this to the side here. They will tell you how to measure, guys, and they will what they actually do is, with this paper and instructions here, it's okay with them, and they okay it to do a test ride as long as you don't peel past a mark right here. And let's take this paper off. As long as you don't peel past the mark, I'm going to punch the hose through here to whenever I insert the mounting screws, that it goes down in the thing. And we're going to try it out, okay? So let's get to it, and I'm going to take off the old Clockworks here. I'm going to turn the camera around, and y'all can see me doing that. Alright guys, let's go ahead and take this Clockworks windshield off the bike. And I don't put these on tight, and I know Harley recommends that you don't tighten these 4 screws on these windshields tight. So let's take out the end. Let's take this one out. Got it loosened up, and I'm going to take the socket off and turn it with my hand. So I hope all you guys out there, I know I've not done a video in a long time. I've just been busy with work and everything, guys. And spending time with the wife on a Saturday. And gotta make time for the spouse, right? The weather's been fair down here in Virginia, and I'm not going to get a ride Saturday, but I am going to take you guys on this little tryout ride right here on this windshield. So we'll see how that is. This center screw, guys, as you know, many of you do know, this installed windshield is longer. So we're almost ready to take it out, and my trim ring right here, almost ready to take it out. So I'm gonna pop my trim ring off, set it there, and I'm gonna lift up the Clockworks right out there. This windshield has been a good one, especially with my factory, with my factory air released. It's locked in there real good. It's practically not a scratch on it. I mean, maybe a couple little markings of some smeared bugs and smacked bugs, but it's practically a new windshield. So let's set that over here. And I'll wrap it up in plastic and something real soft here later. But a little bit of bugs there that I didn't get off. Underneath the trim ring, a little bit of dirt. We'll wipe them right off. All right. So I am going to poke a hole here in the mounting screw, guys. Just gonna poke a hole right there, and the mounting screw is all. Got a lot of dust and packaging dust on it, and we're gonna seat this down in our mounting spots here where it goes, and we'll get it on. I can tell this windshield is so much thicker, guys. It is so much thicker, and you know what that means. It's going to be a whole lot more sturdier, right? This is the touring version of the windshield. Alright, guys, as you can see, I got the windshield put on. It was just a little hateful here. You can see the 12-inch windshield, the dark gray. Got it on, and I sit behind it, guys. And I'm gonna be honest, it may not work. I think it may be too tall. This is the 12-inch dark gray, and it's coming up just above my nose. I'm having to look up just a little bit above it. But I'm gonna get ready to take us down the road and take it for a test ride. And hey guys, just got back from the motorcycle ride that I was trying out the Freedom Shields windshield. It's a 12-inch dark gray, guys. And unfortunately, this windshield's not going to work for me. The 12-inch I ordered too big. I should have ordered the 11-inch. It comes up just a tad too high than I like. And I'm going to turn the camera around here and let you see what I'm looking at. I'm holding the camera right here in front of my nose here. So that's the 12-inch dark gray. I'm going to go with the put it in mail, take it here as soon as I get off of with the camera here, and I'm going to put it back in the mail, send it back, and leave a message and order the 11 inch. I think the 11 inch will be perfect, and hope it is. But anyway, guys, I know I've not done a video in a while. This may not be the video that some like, but other than trying it out up going up the road, this 12 inch windshield, man, gosh, did it ever block the wind.